Hello everyone, and welcome to my final project for EECS1011. For the first learning outcome, we use soft computing skills to measure the voltage in the moisture sensor and use that voltage to take ourselves into different parts of the program. Requirement 2 is using conditional statements in the algorithm. The first uses a while loop that keeps the algorithm running so long as the D6 button is not pressed. Next, the if statement compares the currently measured voltage from the moisture sensor with previously measured voltages to determine the state of the soil. We finish with a for loop that pumps water 5 times into the soil when deemed in a watering state. Requirement 3 involves my algorithm using three functions. Convert sense val, which takes in two inputs from the system and converts the moisture voltage into a percentage. Plot point, which takes convert senses val's output and plots it onto a live graph with current time. And water pump, which is the last function which pops water once. Requirement 4 is the use of a state machine, mine of which is run by the D6 button and the moisture sensor voltage. The convert sense val function previously mentioned converts the moisture sensor voltage into a percentage, which represents the level of moisture in the soil. High percentage equals more moisture, low percentage equals less moisture. For requirement 5, we're using time, the voltage readings from the sensor, and the function outputs to create a live graph. So we start off with the software on MATLAB on the computer, which is connected to the growth board. The growth board is connected to the moisture sensor, and we have a MOSFET, which is connected to a 9-volt that powers the water pump inside our water cup. So the moisture sensor is used to determine whether or not the plant needs to get water or not, which MATLAB determines, and water is pumped through the vinyl tubing into the plant to record the moisture. I'm here with my sister, who is helping me record. As I record the live graph and the updates, she's gonna be recording the water being pumped out of the cup and into the plant. So see the function starts setting up the Arduino, and then we get some messages in the live graph. Here's the live graph, update, and then here it says the soil is wet, but because a little bit more water, so it waters the plant. We can see the graph goes up, and then it says the plant has enough water, and the function remains constant.